Hey everyone, welcome back to Thieves Belated Thursday. Sorry I missed posting this yesterday, but it's here now, so I hope you enjoy it. Today I'm going to be going over just a bunch of the products that you can actually replace in your home with these healthier Thieves alternatives. As I've mentioned before, there's the Thieves Household Cleaner. What I didn't mention is just how useful this cleaner is. It's an all-purpose cleaner. You can make it a heavy degreaser by taking 1 cap of the cleaner and just 1 cup of water and spraying that on your greasy project. You can use it on glass in mirrors. You can use it as a carpet spot cleaner. That worked really well. When we first moved in, one of our dogs had a bit of an accident on one of our new rugs. I used the Thieves general purpose cleaner or all-purpose cleaner dilution on it. I can't even tell where that accident happened now. There's a carpet freshener. There's even a deep cleaning scrub where you're just taking the cleaner and combining that with some baking soda to make a paste. Let's see, there's another product would be the Thieves wipes. That would be a good idea for on the go, like for shopping carts or something. There's a Thieves fruit and veggie soak. There's one for at home and a spray bottle for your purse for work lunches, school lunches, or something like that. Just helps to remove some of the dirt, grime, germs, whatever that are on your fruit from when you bring them home from the store. There's the Thieves dish soap and automatic detergent powder. There's Thieves laundry soap, which I highly recommend because laundry soap is one of the more toxic products in your home, and you're being exposed to it 2 different ways. The residue left on your clothes touches your skin and your skin absorbs that, and you're also getting whatever scent is coming off of it. There's also a Thieves Thieves hand sanitizer. Comes in a little 2-ounce bottle. We also have a big replacement bottle so that you can refill that. It's perfect for throwing in your pockets. Unfortunately, women are purses. We also have a Thieves bar soap. If maybe you don't want to smell like the Thieves oil all day long, that's fine. We have other scents as well. We have a foaming hand soap that also comes in other scents. I love the luscious lemon for spring, and then the winter nights or Christmas spirit for winter. It smells amazing. They all do, honestly. And we still have more stuff that you can replace. We have a little bit of a Thieves dental care where we've got the mouthwash, we've got floss, we have 3 different types of toothpaste, and we have mints. And then we have a few over-the-counter type replacement products where it's the throat lozenges. We have cough drops. We have a Thieves chest rub that works really well. We have hand sanitizing wipes, kind of like what they would pass out on the airplanes. But instead of, regular rubbing alcohol, our hand sanitizer, the alcohol is made from denatured peppermint. And then we also have a kitchen and bath scrub, which if you're not into the DIY, this would be a good replacement product for that scrub that I had mentioned earlier with the household cleaner. So that was a DIY version of this. This is a new product, or a fairly new product. So yeah, that is it. Like I said, lots of ways to start ditching plenty of toxins from your house. You guys, we're the gatekeepers of our homes. We got to be at least a little bit more aware of what we're letting in. All right. I will see you guys later. All right. No video next week. Next week is Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Bye.